Hey guys, this is Vic from D&V Mobile Detailing. We've been called to do a large RV for one of our customers in the Maple Ridge area. So as you can see, we are steam cleaning the vehicle from the insides, making sure that everything is sanitized, cleaned, all the dust is taken care of. Right now the technician is doing the front console area, and we will soon move on to doing the other areas like the fridge, appliances, and the kitchen part of it. Right now you can see we are going to start steam cleaning the couches. They have a leather exterior, so we are taking care to put the right stuff and make sure it's nice and clean by steaming the vehicle. This is a video of us after we have completed the entire job from the interiors. You can see everything has been cleaned. The washrooms, the bedrooms, we've cleaned every section, and the customer was pretty happy with the outcome. We will now start moving to the outside. The customer requested for an outside wash, and we also recommended a spray wax. Since it's such a large RV, we normally do not do waxing and buffing, but spray wax definitely helps protect the paint. So give us a call, 604-518-6684. We'll be happy to come and help you with your RVs and motorhomes. Thank you.